What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Duffy's channel. It's going to be a quick one today. Just wanted to show you the process I'm doing for the front here. Took off the radiator support, both side pieces with the shock mounts and all that. So you can see where your frame gets damaged right up in here. Look like a squirrel's been living in there for a few years. Mouse over on this side. And here's a telltale sign of not doing the right stuff. There's actually pieces of body work in here. So a nice example is this right here. You might think that that's metal, part of your frame, but it's actually Bondo. So previous owner attempted to Bondo something structural, and that's like rule number one, man. You can't do it. You could Bondo the car outside, make it look pretty, but if you got some structural issues, it needs to be done with metal work. Serious rot going on here. The front supports, got to clean all these frame rails out. Acorns and walnuts. And so this was the original reason I wanted to take it apart. You could see the front impact here has a little dent here. It got into an accident, which probably knocked this out. Previous owner tried to weld it. This was all, it's still somewhat, it's like 99% in square, but wanted to do this, and I noticed this here, and you could see that there's even, that's metal work there, and there's Bondo or epoxy or something right there. So that's stuff I haven't knocked out yet. This side where the battery is, actually better than the other side. Usually this gets all rotten from battery acid. This is probably from the battery. There's a battery tray, sits like right here. So it's the process. Cut it out, slow and steady. Try to save what you can. This is pretty sturdy. I tried to save the brake line here. Cut it off because all this is going to be changed to 5-lug. New suspension here in the front. But the rest of this has to come out, and most importantly, my VIN number. Cut my VIN number out because that's going to go on the new piece when I weld that in. Going to take the heater core and all those motors and stuff out. New brakes and new engine going in. But it's going to be a while. So went through a lot of cutting discs with the grinder, hacksaw blades. Probably went through 5 or 10 of each just to get this far. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.